Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to track an order on eBay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on eBay, click on create an account. You can choose the type of account you wanted. It could be personal, it could be business. To simplify the process, you can continue with their Google or continue with their Facebook. You can even continue with their Apple. Just provide your full legal name, email and password, and by clicking the create account button, you're all set. Now, you can follow your package online all the way to the shipping address when the seller uploads tracking information. And if you're looking to add tracking to your item, it's a different option. But for you to track your order, say for example, your seller is using a track shipping service, you'll be able to view the carrier information as well as your order's current location. Right? So the simple way to do that is by going to your account. Basically, if you're using a seller sub, it's a different platform. But right now, I'm using my eBay, and all I'm gonna do is click on purchase history or even selling, right? But click on purchase history. Now, once you have access in the Okay, so again, if you have the access to your purchases, you'll be able to find all of the orders right here. Now, to track items you bought recently, you'll need the order confirmation, right? And again, all I'm gonna do is from there, click on an option right here and get on the tracking numbers. And you would be able to see the information on that corresponding numbers. Now, once you have that numbers, if you were able to do it, you can also go here at order tracker, wherein you can just put the tracking numbers, and obviously you would the website will give you the details on the specific location of your order, because sometimes the seller wasn't able to update your status of your order, so you might want to use another option, order taker, or you can use ship24, because I use this a lot to track my delivery and items, right? And as always, do not hesitate to click on the help and contact in case you encounter a problem in regarding about tracking your item. All you're gonna do is from the search bar, click on these keywords, tracking your item or tracking items you've sold or shipping your items. It's all the same. You might want to click on the tracking your item first, and then this one will help you and guide you along the way if in case you are lost during the whole navigation process. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.